Let's begin with a review of some core concepts and terminology. Definitions: AI, ML, deep learning, and neural networks. What is the primary function of a neural network in machine learning? Is it A, pattern recognition, B, data storage, C, data encryption, or D, hardware acceleration? The answer is A, pattern recognition. Neural networks are designed to recognize patterns and relationships in data, which is essential for tasks like classification and regression. A company wants to automate customer support using AI. Which technology should they focus on to understand and respond to customer queries? Is it A, computer vision, B, natural language processing, C, robotics, or D, reinforcement learning? The answer is B, natural language processing. Natural language processing is crucial for understanding and generating human language, making it ideal for customer support automation.
Have you noticed the code in the bottom corner? Next time you're stumped, take that code to Birdsy.ai for immediate help and a free study session with Birdsy, your personal AI study partner. Plus, you'll get access to hundreds of additional questions, helping you move closer to passing your exam with confidence. The next time you're feeling unsure or stuck, give it a try.
Which of the following best describes deep learning? Is it A, a type of supervised learning, B, a method for data encryption, C, a subset of machine learning involving neural networks with many layers, or D, a technique for hardware optimization? The answer is C, a subset of machine learning involving neural networks with many layers. Deep learning involves neural networks with many layers, allowing for complex data representations and learning. Which term refers to the ability of a machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence? Is it A, machine learning, B, deep learning, C, neural networks, or D, artificial intelligence? The answer is D, artificial intelligence. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The term artificial intelligence is often confused with machine learning, but AI is the broader concept encompassing all intelligent machine behavior. Differences, overlaps, AI, ML, GenAI. What is the primary focus of machine learning within the broader field of artificial intelligence? Is it A, creating general intelligence systems, B, developing algorithms to learn from data, C, simulating human emotions, or D, designing hardware for AI? The answer is B, developing algorithms to learn from data. Machine learning focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions based on data, which is a subset of tasks within artificial intelligence. A company wants to generate creative content using AI. Which technology should they primarily focus on? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, machine learning, C, generative AI, or D, data science? The answer is C, generative AI. Generative AI is specifically designed to create new content, making it the best choice for generating creative outputs. Which of the following best describes generative AI? Is it A, models that create new content, B, algorithms for data analysis, C, systems for automating tasks, or D, tools for data visualization? The answer is A, models that create new content. Generative AI involves models that can create new content, such as text, images, or music, based on learned patterns. Which technology is exclusively used for creating new data rather than analyzing existing data? Is it A, machine learning, B, artificial intelligence, C. Data science, or D. Generative AI? The answer is D. Generative AI. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The term exclusively can mislead. While generative AI focuses on creating new data, it may also analyze existing data to learn patterns.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
Machine learning fundamentals. Learning types: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Which type of machine learning involves training a model using labeled data? Is it A. Supervised learning, B. Unsupervised learning, C. Reinforcement learning, or D. Semi-supervised learning? The answer is A. Supervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models, allowing them to make predictions or classifications based on input-output pairs. What is the primary goal of unsupervised learning? Is it A. Predict future outcomes, B. Identify patterns in data, C. Maximize rewards, or D. Reduce data dimensionality? The answer is B. Identify patterns in data. Unsupervised learning aims to find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in data without labeled responses. A robot learns to navigate a maze by receiving a reward each time it reaches the end. What type of learning is this? Is it A. Supervised learning, B. Unsupervised learning, C. Reinforcement learning, or D. Semi-supervised learning? The answer is C. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves learning through rewards and penalties as the robot receives a reward for reaching the maze's end. Which learning type is most suitable for clustering similar items in a dataset? Is it A. Supervised learning, B. Reinforcement learning, C. Semi-supervised learning, or D. Unsupervised learning? The answer is D. Unsupervised learning. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Clustering is a common task in unsupervised learning, which does not require labeled data. Model training, validation, overfitting, underfitting. What is the primary purpose of a validation set in machine learning? Is it A. To train the model, B. To tune model parameters, C. To test the final model performance, or D. To increase the size of the training data? The answer is B. To tune model parameters. A validation set is used to tune model parameters and prevent overfitting by evaluating model performance on unseen data. Which of the following is a sign of overfitting in a machine learning model? Is it A. High accuracy on training data but low accuracy on test data, B. High accuracy on both training and test data, C. Low accuracy on training data but high accuracy on test data, or D. Low accuracy on both training and test data? The answer is A. High accuracy on training data but low accuracy on test data. Overfitting occurs when a model performs well on training data but poorly on validation or test data. A data scientist notices that their model performs well on the training set but poorly on the validation set. What concept does this situation illustrate? Is it A. Underfitting, B. Proper generalization, C. Overfitting, or D. Data leakage? The answer is C. Overfitting. This scenario illustrates overfitting, where the model captures noise in the training data and fails to generalize to new data. Generative AI essentials. Foundation models, transformers, embeddings. What is the primary function of a transformer in a foundation model? Is it A. To generate random data. B. To apply attention mechanisms to input sequences. C. To store large data sets. Or D. To perform arithmetic operations. The answer is B. To apply attention mechanisms to input sequences. Transformers are used to process sequences of data by applying attention mechanisms, allowing the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence. What is an embedding in the context of generative AI? Is it A. a numerical representation of data, B. a type of neural network, C. a data storage format, or D. a method for data encryption? The answer is A. a numerical representation of data. Embeddings are numerical representations of data that capture semantic meaning, allowing models to process and understand the data more effectively. A company wants to improve its chatbot's ability to understand customer queries. Which aspect of foundation models should they focus on? Is it A. data storage, B. arithmetic operations, C. embeddings, or D. random data generation? The answer is C. embeddings. Improving embeddings will enhance the chatbot's ability to understand and process the semantic meaning of customer queries. In a transformer model, what is the role of the attention mechanism? Is it A. to store data, B. to perform arithmetic calculations, C. to generate output sequences, or D. to weigh the importance of different input parts? The answer is D. to weigh the importance of different input parts. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, the attention mechanism is often confused with general data processing. It specifically allows the model to weigh the importance of different parts of the input sequence. Prompt engineering, hallucinations, limitations. What is a common limitation of generative AI models when it comes to factual accuracy? Is it A. they may produce hallucinations, B. they always require human intervention, C. they cannot generate creative content, or D. they are limited to structured data? The answer is A. they may produce hallucinations. Generative AI models often produce outputs that are not fact-checked, leading to potential inaccuracies or hallucinations. A company uses a generative AI model to draft emails but notices factual errors in the output. What aspect of AI is likely causing this issue? Is it A. overfitting, B. hallucinations, C. underfitting, or D. data bias? The answer is B. hallucinations. The model is likely hallucinating, generating content that seems plausible but is factually incorrect. Which technique is crucial in prompt engineering to reduce hallucinations in AI outputs? Is it A. using ambiguous prompts, B. increasing model size, C. providing clear prompts, or D. reducing training data? The answer is C. providing clear prompts. Providing clear and specific prompts helps guide the AI model to produce more accurate and relevant outputs.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsy.
Use cases and when to use which. Use cases: classification, regression, clustering, generation. Which machine learning task is best suited for predicting a continuous numerical value? Is it A. classification, B. regression, C. clustering, or D. generation? The answer is B. regression. Regression is used to predict continuous numerical values, such as predicting house prices based on features like size and location. A company wants to segment its customers into distinct groups based on purchasing behavior. Which machine learning task should they use? Is it A, classification, B, regression, C, clustering, or D, generation? The answer is C, clustering. Clustering is ideal for grouping similar data points, such as customers with similar purchasing behaviors, into distinct segments. Which task would you choose if you need to generate new text content based on existing data? Is it A, classification, B, regression, C, clustering, or D, generation? The answer is D, generation. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The term generate might mislead one to think of clustering or classification, but generation specifically refers to creating new content. Selecting between AI, ML, GenAI for business needs. Which technology is best suited for analyzing large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, machine learning, C, generative AI, or D, data analytics? The answer is B, machine learning. Machine learning is ideal for analyzing large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions due to its ability to learn from data. A company wants to automate customer service responses by generating human-like text. Which technology should they consider? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, machine learning, C, generative AI, or D, robotic process automation? The answer is C, generative AI. Generative AI is suitable for creating human-like text, making it ideal for automating customer service responses. Which technology would you choose if you need to create new images based on existing datasets? Is it A, artificial intelligence, B, machine learning, C, data science, or D, generative AI? The answer is D, generative AI. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The term create might suggest AI or ML, but generative AI is specifically designed for generating new content like images. Life cycle, metrics, and evaluation. ML pipeline stages: data, training, deployment, monitoring. What is the primary purpose of the monitoring stage in an ML pipeline? Is it A, to track model performance and identify issues, B, to train the model with new data, C, to deploy the model to production, or D, to pre-process the data for training? The answer is A, to track model performance and identify issues. Monitoring ensures that the deployed model continues to perform well over time by tracking its performance and identifying any issues. A company notices a drop in model accuracy after deployment. What stage should they focus on to address this issue? Is it A, data collection, B, monitoring, C, deployment, or D, training? The answer is B, monitoring. The monitoring stage helps identify performance drops, allowing the team to take corrective actions such as retraining or adjusting the model. In an ML pipeline, which stage is responsible for ensuring the model adapts to new patterns in data? Is it A, deployment, B, monitoring, C, training, or D, data pre-processing? The answer is C, training. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The training stage is often confused with monitoring, but training is where the model learns and adapts to new data patterns. Evaluation metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, F1, AUC. What does the F1 score measure in a classification model? Is it A, the overall accuracy of the model, B, the balance between precision and recall. C, the area under the ROC curve. Or D, the model's ability to predict positive instances. The answer is B, the balance between precision and recall. The F1 score was the harmonic mean of precision and recall, providing a balance between the two metrics. It is particularly useful when the class distribution is uneven. A model has high precision but low recall. What does this indicate about its performance? Is it A, the model is overfitting the data? B, the model is underfitting the data? C, the model correctly identifies positives but misses many actual positives? Or D, the model has a balanced performance? The answer is C, the model correctly identifies positives but misses many actual positives. High precision and low recall indicate that the model is good at predicting positive instances correctly, but misses many actual positive cases. If a model's AUC is 0.5, what does this suggest about its performance? Is it A, the model is performing perfectly? B, the model is performing well? C, the model is performing poorly? Or D, the model is performing no better than random guessing? The answer is D, the model is performing no better than random guessing. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. AUC of 0.5 suggests the model performs no better than random guessing, which can be misleading if not understood correctly. Ethical, responsible use and risks. Bias, fairness, interpretability, model risks. What is a primary concern when using AI models in decision-making processes? Is it A, bias in the model? B, high computational cost? C, lack of user interface? Or D, data storage capacity? The answer is A, bias in the model. Bias in AI models can lead to unfair outcomes, especially if the training data is not representative or contains inherent biases. Why is interpretability important in AI models? Is it A, to increase computational efficiency? B, to ensure transparency and trust? C, to reduce data storage needs? Or D, to enhance user interface design? The answer is B, to ensure transparency and trust. Interpretability allows stakeholders to understand how decisions are made, which is crucial for trust and accountability. A company uses an AI model for hiring but notices a lack of diversity in selected candidates. What should they investigate? Is it A, the computational power of the model? B, the user interface of the hiring platform? C, the training data for biases? Or D, the model's interpretability features? The answer is C, the training data for biases. The training data may contain biases that lead to unfair selection processes affecting diversity. Security, privacy, data governance in AI ML. What is a primary concern when it comes to data governance in AI ML systems? Is it A, ensuring data quality and compliance? B, maximizing data collection? C, increasing data storage capacity? Or D, enhancing data visualization? The answer is A, ensuring data quality and compliance. Data governance in AI ML systems primarily concerns ensuring data quality, security, and compliance with regulations to protect privacy and integrity. A company is deploying an AI system that processes sensitive customer data. What should they prioritize to ensure ethical and responsible use? Is it A, maximizing processing speed? B, increasing user engagement? C, ensuring data privacy and security? Or D, enhancing user interface design? The answer is C, ensuring data privacy and security. Prioritizing data privacy and security ensures that sensitive information is protected, aligning with ethical and responsible use standards. Which regulation primarily governs data protection and privacy in the European Union? Is it A, HIPAA, B, GDPR, C, CCPA, or D, FERPA? The answer is B, GDPR. The General Data Protection Regulation is the primary law governing data protection and privacy in the EU.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, tips, and tricks. And don't forget to visit Birdsy.ai for complimentary study sessions with Birdsy, your AI-powered study partner.